Hi, I'm Johan Magnusson with Alfresco Grills, and I'm here to share with you today Alfresco's amazing drop-in solid fuel insert. The Alfresco Solid Fuel insert allows you to cook with wood and charcoal rather than gas. So let's first talk about how to start up your solid fuel insert. Be sure that your grill is cooled down before removing the grate and the ceramic briquette tray and nesting your solid fuel insert into place. Please note that the solid fuel insert is the only Alfresco insert that requires the removal of the briquette tray. With the removal of the briquette tray, the burner under your solid fuel insert will be sufficient to light your fuel. Ignition may take up to 10 minutes. Use your grill relatively the same way as you would using gas, but keep in mind some of the pros and cons to different types of solid fuel. Charcoal gets very hot and burns for a long time, and it creates its own beautiful steam as the meat cooks and drips, adding its own flavor to the food. Charcoal also creates a gorgeous sear on meat. It is, however, somewhat messy, and you'll have to clean your insert more frequently when using charcoal. You also have to give yourself plenty of time because charcoal embers stay hot for a very long time. Charcoal also takes a while to heat up, doesn't always burn evenly, and it is somewhat hard to control the temperature of the cook. Now, cooking with wood is notoriously difficult, but for some, the flavor of true wood smoke is undeniably difficult to pass up. Because of this, a lot of people use a combination of charcoal and wood chips to add just a touch of smoke flavor to their barbecue. When using the solid fuel insert in combination with the rotisserie, you can have the rotisserie running without the drip pan. Fat and grease from the food will drop down into the charcoal, which will add tons of flavor to the meat. You can also use the rotisserie together with a solid insert without using the IR burners. Make sure that the insert is completely cooled when you begin the cleaning process, wiping with a soft, damp, soapy cloth and rinsing with warm or hot water. If your full insert is particularly messy, perhaps with oil or grease or caked on charcoal, use a multi-purpose cream cleanser and apply with a soft, damp cloth, then rinse with water. And if you're dealing with stubborn dirt or burnt on grease, you can use a nylon scouring pad with the cream cleanser. Never use wire wool pads unless they're made of stainless steel, and never use harsh abrasives, scouring materials, wire brushers, scrapers, or contaminated scouring pads. Make sure you wipe along the grain direction of the stainless steel and the grates rather than across it, and if needed, dry with a soft towel after cleaning. I really hope that these details will help you to get up to speed quickly with using your Alfresco drop-in solid fuel insert. I'm Johan Magnusson for Alfresco Open Air Culinary Systems. Happy grilling.